Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect medium poached eggs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need very fresh eggs, a medium-sized pot, and a small amount of white vinegar. Fresh eggs are crucial because their whites hold together better, creating a neater poached egg. Fill your pot with about 3 to 4 inches of water, ensuring it's not too deep. We're aiming for a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, to cook the eggs evenly. Now, let's get to the poaching. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to gently slide them into the water without breaking the yolk. Ensure your water is at a gentle simmer, with tiny bubbles forming at the bottom, not a rapid boil. Carefully lower each egg into the water. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes. This timing will give you a beautifully set white and a warm, runny, medium yolk. Understanding the cooking time is key to achieving your desired yolk consistency. For a truly medium poached egg, aim for a cooking time of 3 to 4 minutes. At 3 minutes, the yolk will be quite runny, while at 4 minutes, it will be warm and slightly jammy, offering a delightful texture. Once cooked, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Gently blot any excess water on a paper towel to prevent a watery plate. Your perfectly poached eggs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately on your favorite toast, perhaps with some mashed avocado or atop a fresh salad. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper enhances their flavor beautifully. You might also consider a light drizzle of high-quality olive oil or a pinch of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. These versatile eggs make a fantastic breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.